Alright guys, we forgot to mention this, but we got this from Amazon. It's called reindeer recovery tracks. And they fit right in with our badass tents mud track holder.
Yeah.
For the spare tire holder, there you go, from Badass Tents. Yeah, we forgot to film this or mention this before. And also we got this from Rockslide, the mount for the roto packs. And of course this is the roto packs right there. We actually bought this lock in Amazon separately, and also the roto packs, the gas, the 2-gallon container in Amazon. So the Rockslide Engineer, this one right here, also comes with this, the spare tire holder, and then it connects down there. And as you guys could see, we zip tied it because, you know, you guys could extend it to as long or short as you guys want. And here's the lock for it right there. Also, this is the locks that we got. This is from, I forgot where we got, eBay, right? Yeah, we got this from eBay. I don't know why we got it from eBay. And this is from actually ARB. This is their ARB, what's that, Tread Pro. And then we got this from Amazon, the lock. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, Badass Tents also comes with this. Now we're about to put the mud tracks. You could actually fit 4 of them here if you wanted to. We actually have a black one, but our black one doesn't fit here because of the hole setting. And if you see here, this is like the placement it has, and then the screws to tighten it are back here. And then to put this, just gotta go from the bottom to the top. There you go. Because if you try to go from top to bottom, it's a little bit harder. So there's that. I'll put the second one here. So bottom to top, there. I think you could still fit 2 more, huh? Probably.
Probably.
Yeah. All right. So the bottom one, it has this spacers, black spacers. Just put it here. And we just screw it on like this. But yeah, and then you just snugly tight it. And then of course, this, make sure it's in the unlock. And then you gotta squeeze this, and then just press it. And then turn it to lock. And then same thing too with this. All right, after unlocking this, same process as this. And then you just put it on like this and then lock it. And that's it. It's pretty secure. And we also went to many, 2-3 trails already with this? 2, 3, no, 4 trails. Yeah, with this. Actually, we went to Chocolate Thunder with this, but it was a blue one though. She wanted to color match. So we got,
at least it's now color match.
we got a blue one because they didn't have a blue one. I mean, a red one because they didn't have a red one available. They only had a blue one. So, yeah. So that's it.